Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to film, I won a giveaway. I won a giveaway from a fellow YouTuber named Chauntelly, and I will link her channel down below. She is a phenomenal fellow YouTuber and me and her have collabed before, and I asked her if she wanted to collab again with the blueblood palette. I don't know why I want to say blueblood. I don't know. Anyways, so we're gonna collab again with that. I just have not had the time, and between being sick and work and all that it's been crazy. And then Easter, of course, and etc. So anyways, I won a giveaway from her about a week and a half ago. It was on a Friday, I think, and she was nice enough to hit me up and say, hey, you know, I put up my giveaway video because I entered it a while ago and you forget, you know, and she said when you get a chance, go watch it. So I received it, she shipped it, I got it within one day. It was here, bam. I mean, super quick. I couldn't believe it. She packaged it really good. I should learn from her. I mean, she had bubble wrap on it. I'm not gonna lie, I've already opened this. I have not played with anything. I've been playing with my Game of Thrones, but everything I got in here is super exciting. And it is new to my collection, and I'm so grateful to her. I have the 35 Frost Fall into Frost Morphe palette. I do not own this one. This one is the purple mauve shades, I believe. I know I bought this one and I put it in a giveaway. So I do not personally own it, but now I do, and these colors are all absolutely stunning. And when I wear like purple or mauve, it kind of brings out my green eyes. So this is super exciting. And who doesn't love a good Morphe palette? Because I enjoy Morphe pretty much all around. So that is super cool. My cold is slowly, and I mean like slowly crawling up to being a little better. I'm still coughing really bad, but the antibiotic I think is, you know, kicking in, and we're moving along. Here is this. Oh my gosh, when I saw that I won this, I was so happy. Okay, so this has, it says this set includes mini velour liquid lipstick, skin tight mannequin, celebrity skin, posh spice, rose madder, Gemini, Leo, and androgyny. I was so happy. First of all, the packaging is just killer. I am keeping this just the way it is. And then I'm going to keep, I mean, look at this. Look at all the stars. Jeffree Star just kills the packaging. And then here are all the minis. I don't own any of the minis except the blue ones, which I don't use very often at all. These are gonna get a lot of use, especially for work. This is perfect. I can use one, throw it in my purse, put it in my pocket. This is phenomenal. And I don't own, I know it's shocking, I don't own every one of these colors. I don't own Rose Madder, I don't think. I know I have celebrity skin. But anyways, I am going to use all of these all of the time. All the time. This is, oh my gosh, love it. And then last but not least, as you can see, I ripped this open. I want a brush set from BH Cosmetics. It is white studded brush elegance 12-piece brush set. And I'm not sure. I probably own some BH. I'm sure I own some BH Cosmetics brushes. But look at the super cute little like gold studded case it comes in. So cute. I have not taken them out of the package yet. I wanted to film and show you guys what I want before I start digging in. I am going to keep these. For me, you can never have too many brushes. I mean, come on now. But anyways, so yeah, 12 new brushes from the round powder, angled contour, taper brush, angled flat, pointed highlighter, large blending crease, etc., etc. It's like a whole new set. I will definitely be keeping this. So that is basically pretty much it. I couldn't believe it when she did the random comment picker, which I tend to lean towards it. And this is just a caution. When somebody is doing giveaways for Gleam, I will not enter them. I, in the past, entered like a couple of them, and one day my husband called me and he said, do you know that Gleam from so-and-so's channel is accessing our photos? And so I went in and I looked, and sure enough, Gleam from, I'm not gonna say whose channel it was in our photo albums. Now, not like there's anything wrong to see in there, but it is personal. So when you are doing Gleam, or you're entering Gleam, and you're allowing them to access your information, they have full access to your personal information, and I personally am not comfortable with that. So I will not use that, and I will not enter it. So you will not see me using Gleam on my channel. I will use the random comment picker for my channel. I believe it is the best way to go, because I can check and make sure people are verified on my laptop, and you know, I can pick the video that I want the comment picked out of. So I just think it's all around better, and you don't have to check off that you entered Instagram, check off that you commented below, because the random comment picker is obviously going to know that. You don't have to check off that you followed on Twitter, etc. It is just such a pain. I don't bother. I just pass on all those giveaways. Yeah, so a big thank you to Chauntelly. I am so grateful for this giveaway, and excited to use all my nice new goodies. And yeah, so, and our collab, I am looking forward to that. So I will see you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.